a company that focuses on scientific tools and technology. 20 brands represented, 30 employees, 40 years of experience in scientific development, 80 outstanding distributor awards. We have served 3,000 laboratories in Taiwan, 1,000 instruments dedicated to the field of microwave chemistry, 10,000 air sampling pumps. Our founder, Mr. Arthur Lee, is a gentle and focused man who is enthusiastic about scientific research. As early as the 1970s, he spent several years involved with research projects concerning environmental and food safety issues. During his research, he realized that people might unknowingly ingest pollutants such as heavy metals and pesticides and not pay attention to or ignore such potential risks. If applied properly, technology can become invaluable in improving everyday safety and the quality of life. Afterwards, Mr. Lee worked with a company that imported and distributed laboratory instruments and also promoted mainstream precision instruments, which centered on chemical analysis at the time. In 1984, Mr. Lee founded Kohan Instruments Company Limited. When defining the main business scope of Kohan Instruments, Mr. Lee steered away from the products sold by his former company. Instead, he concentrated on the upstream technologies of the analysis workflow, air sampling for gas chromatography, and microwave sample preparation for elemental analysis. Rather than aiming for selling vast quantities of equipment, he focused on pre-sale and post-sale services, attaching great importance to offering excellent technical support to his customers. Mr. Lee believes actions speak louder than words. He devoted his time and effort on introducing and promoting cutting-edge technologies in the early years of establishing the company. By day, he promoted analytical technologies in every major university and institution. By night, he studied relevant application documents and wrote technical articles and manuals at home. The internet access was not popularized yet in those days. Mr. Lee took it upon himself to translate and compile everything into catalogs and technical manuals. All these documents have become standard reference material favored by workers in the occupational safety, health, and industrial hygiene fields. Even though the Kohan Instruments website has gone through several revisions, we can still find technical notes originating from the articles written by Mr. Lee on the latest version of the website. We are an organization comprised of motivated, science-oriented workers in pursuit of accurate data and quality service. We value the opinions from our staff, cultivate innovation, and are enthusiastic about different ideas. Many of the remarkable improvements we have achieved stem from feedback given to us by our frontline staff. We distribute the best scientific instruments in Taiwan. We continually work with our customers with their difficulties, conduct user trainings and educational courses, take part in method developing and implementation with experts from various fields, and also invite experts and scholars to co-organize conferences and seminars. Kohan Instruments has accumulated solid experience in the past 40 years. Offering comprehensive professional advice and reliable services is our promise. In Taiwan, Kohan Instruments has seen remarkable growth thanks to the work and persistence of its scientific workforce. Presently, Kohan Instruments has branch offices in Taipei, Taichung, and Kaohsiung. We have serviced more than 3,000 laboratories, including government agencies, colleges, universities and research institutes, commercial testing laboratories, electronics, chemical, petrochemical, food, steel, textile, pharmaceutical, biotech, environmental protection industry, and more. With the accumulation and development of experiences, our expertise has expanded from air sampling and microwave chemistry to a wide range of disciplines including inorganic chemical analysis, organic chemical analysis, pharmaceutical inspection and analysis, air sampling and analysis, component analysis, material identification and chemical synthesis, biotechnology. With single-minded devotion to science and technology, Kohan Instruments continues to maintain its core values of honesty, integrity, perseverance, and practicality as it has for the past half-century. We continue to promote advanced laboratory equipment and technologies to every industry in Taiwan, relentlessly pursuing a better life for everyone through science and technology. Science for a better future is not just a motto, but the goal we strive for every day.